Stanley Park has that too. There's lots of cool different paths to take a look through. And there's also as well some big older growth trees. Even some of them are just stumps, but they are still quite amazing to see the size of them. And Stanley Park also has the Vancouver Aquarium. You can see a bunch of different marine life from all over the world. An extension of the Vancouver Aquarium is the Marine Mammal Center, which each year rescues about 300 different seal pups from the surrounding areas. Sometimes the mothers leave them in risky spots. If it's a spot near a dog beach or anything like that, the mother can get spooked when it comes back to after looking for food for its baby, and unfortunately it does sometimes get abandoned. So then the Marine Mammal Rescue Team is able to come in, save the seal pups, and get them all up to the proper weight and release them again. They also help with sea otters. They, a few years ago, found a turtle that was usually more found in California, so it was quite cold by the time they got to it. And they also help with a lot of anything that's been stuck around sea lions' necks. Unfortunately, a lot of plastic pollution in the water. There is also a pitch and putt in the area, which is very conveniently beside Stanley Park Brewing. So if you're looking for a nice, fun activity to do in an afternoon or something like that, it'd be another great suggestion. There's also walking tours and also a horse carriage ride. So there's lots of seating to do here. And then just the last thing before we get going, we just want to turn the boat towards a big rock that's sticking up over there. And just about in front of us now, that is Siwash Rock, probably the most photographed rock that we have here in Vancouver. It is pretty well known. It is a volcanic basalt rock that formed about 30 million years ago. Some sort of volcanic dike from somewhere deep within the earth popped up, and now we've got it here, which is pretty cool. You can see the rock off to the right looks a little bit similar, but otherwise the rocks around the areas are quite a bit smoother, and that's because the smoother rocks are sandstone, so it wears away a fair bit easier than that volcanic basalt, which is able to stand there for so long. And because the sandstone washes away so easily, that's also part of the reason why this seawall was built, just to try and help keep the city intact. Didn't want Stanley Park washing away into the water here. Then we'll just start to head back over, or not start back, we'll start to head over to West Vancouver now, hoping for the best for the waves, but just beware it sometimes can get a little bit choppy on that side. And then just taking the views, and I'll start talking again at our next stop.
So, now we're leaving. Think about the park again, Mark.